What we do here is in the workshops, we get rid of the fears that might be associated with undergoing adventures like this, and we get rid of these up front so that you actually look forward to going through it. And if then some other stuff comes up during the adventures, we'll quickly work through that using energy psychology. So this is actually gentle transformation from the inside out, and it is very effective. Now, if this is something that you're interested in, go to socialanxietysolutions.com/retreat. I'm inviting you to something really special. Here's what it is. My Connection and Adventure Retreat in Paradise, Bali, Indonesia. From April 18 to April 24th of this year, 2019, myself and my best mate Tom and 7 people suffering from social anxiety will stay in this luxurious retreat that you see right now. And during our 7 days here, we will have daily transformational workshops to work through your biggest fears and your deepest limiting beliefs that are responsible for your social anxiety. We'll neutralize fears like being the center of attention, fear of getting rejected, fear of being judged negatively, fear of being seen anxious, fear of embarrassment, and so on. And we'll get rid of beliefs like, I'm not good enough, people don't like me, there's something wrong with me, I can't make mistakes, I have to be perfect, and so on. Further, we'll go on amazing holiday social adventures like going to a stunning waterfall for a picnic and a swim, going sound healing in pyramids, or going to an outdoor sauna and sipping tea around the campfire. Now, these might sound like scary exposures that you're maybe familiar with from traditional therapy or CBT, but this is actually totally different.